Hello guys, welcome back. This is a faculty Sudarshan from Hari Academy. Yes, today the paper is done. Paper number 3, Quantitative Aptitude. What the students felt after writing paper number 3, Quantitative Aptitude. As far as June 2024 exam for paper number 3, the students felt that this paper is easy if that student has practiced more on mathematics part. Okay, the student, most of the students, when I speak with 10 to 12 students, they are told that e- everybody is telling I have attended 80 plus questions. Some of them are saying that 70 plus question I can easily attend, sir. In that I have damn sure I can tell you I 65 questions I have attended properly. That 5 questions only I have take a risk to whether go further or not. So many of the questions have been tested for mathematics for finance. Previously it was a time value of money. Now with this mathematics for finance, some of them are expected 10 plus question has been tested from that part. And integral calculus and differential calculus, we have expected they have given, they may test you on applications of differential and integral calculus, like marginal costing and average cost, something like that question is there in integral calculus. They have not even tested that. Instead they have tested that somewhere around 5 plus question from integral and differential calculus. Okay, and they have a good quality of question from logical reasoning also. Logical reasoning questions also being easily been tested, except 1 or 2 questions the student may feel difficulty over that. 1 or 2 students I'll tell that, sir, I have attended 98 marks in this paper, so I am easily sure this paper is going to be, I can easily score 60 plus marks. 50 plus marks scoring in this paper is totally easy. Everybody can score 50 plus marks if you have good practice or moderate practice on statistics and logical reasoning and mathematics on equal hand. Those who have scored 2000 questions plus practice, if you solve all the MTPs, if you solve all the memory based question from the past question papers, it is, this paper is going to be an easy paper. But this is done. Now we are done with this paper. Okay, now what is next? That is paper number 4. For paper number 4, we have already uploaded the 1.5 day study plan. Go and refer that, along with 3 chapters full classes we have uploaded. Refer that, and don't forget to study ICA study material summary, because ICA study material is only one thing. In today's also they have tested major question from ICA study material only. Okay, so ICA study material summary part for paper number 4 business economics is more and more important. Read that summary part, it itself will cover almost every part of that syllabus. Okay, we'll see you in the next part of the paper review for paper number 4 with the signing off of Sudarshan. Thank you, have a great day guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.